Alright, think we can start. Apologies, I'm a bit sleepy today, so yeah, I'm not gonna have that much energy. Give me a second. Freaking camera was blocked. Okay, there we go. Can anyone hear me correctly? Yeah. I know. Chill. Give me a sec. But yeah, do you like my renovations? I have an apartment now. Although, if I do this, oops, not that, this button, I'm now in a lab. I've done some modifications to the client, as you can see. Huh. I just noticed on the... Why are Tulip and Daisy on top of me? And, oh, now I get it. I screwed up with the vertical stream. Whoops. Oh no, not measuring spring for 2 hours. Huh? Okay, with my pencil, music needs to be terminated. That looks like the one in my school. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, let me turn off the the background. There's some changes I need to do because apparently in the vertical stream...
What's the hassle today, debuggers?
Okay, fair enough. Yo, age. But yeah, I need to do some changes because apparently the background kind of went over me in the vertical stream, so yeah, my bad. This is still experimental. I'm still working on it. Also, let me turn off the chat for the old plugin I was using. Where is it? This one? Yeah, that one. You're good? Yeah, just feeling a bit sleepy. Otherwise, I'm fine. Yeah, let's just say the professor here hasn't been sleeping that well this past week. Chats on top of each other, not anymore. Single lullaby, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Here's a sleepy lullaby for you.
Shh,
close your eyes tight. Let the twilight carry you into quiet dreams. Gentle stars twinkle, soothing
yeah,
nights,
while
soft
she's doing
beat.
that, let me go open Godot. But yeah, today's stream... that's poetry, it's stupid. But yeah, essentially there's new upgrades. We now track hype trains. We now have a custom built chat plugin inside of Tulip and Daisy's client.
Here's your lullaby. Soft code hums like a lullaby. Loop cycles drifting into the quiet night.
Yay. But yeah, there's some new changes. Look at Dumb and Dumber.
Tulip, здравей, треди с бойой.
What the
Ой,
heck?
към джунглата от шумни струни, къде се разтопля вече звуковата
Since
тъм.
when can you
Насладете
two
се на
override
мелодията.
the filter? Since when? Cause God, I swear I put a filter that says you only will talk in English, Portuguese, or Japanese. How did you two override the freaking filter? Sus. Okay, fair enough. Moving on. So yeah, there are new changes to their client. They can now track hype trains when one happens. All events that happen in the Twitch chat will be logged in the chat box, and there's a new chat box, as you can see on screen. On the YouTube vertical stream, it won't be visible because of the client, but yeah.
Тежко мина моята младост, мой роден език. В
Why not
потвърдата
in other
мраза на
languages,
вятър.
Leo? Harder for me to moderate, perhaps. Yeah. Although it appears that my prompt doesn't do anything regarding that. Ain't that fun? Heh. Heh. By the way, it's wrong. Yeah, fair enough. Like, that's the thing. If they talk in a language I don't understand, it's hard for me to say if something is right or wrong, and harder for me to moderate what they are saying. Because God knows, eventually they might say something that is a bit offensive. I know I have filters in place, but the filters I think are only for English. If you put Portuguese, I don't think the filter will get triggered. And that's
I'm sorry,
the issue.
but I can't provide that.
Oh. Make them moderate themselves. I wish, but I think that wouldn't work that well. But yeah. I still need to do some improvements to their client. I kind of did the events mapping at the last hour. And I'm missing when people do a redeem, I don't show a notification on screen. So, yeah, that's just self-destruction of this channel. Yeah, basically. Not that I am not an expert at that or anything. But yeah. Let me see. So, last time, I basically did nothing except plan the story. Break a leg. SpongeBob intro. Oh boy. Oh, who lives in a pineapple
Tulip,
under a sea?
break a leg. I'll slice through any bug and keep the code dancing.
I'm just gonna sit here. Don't mind me. Don't mind the streamer. I'm just gonna sit here. Imagine it started screaming in agony. Let me just grab my sketch for the level, because I didn't have it here. Okay, have more or less the design. I'm so sleepy, join the club. Trust me, my energy for streaming isn't that much, but I'm kind of forcing myself for my own good. So yeah, let's try to do something productive. I am joining the bed. Okay, don't worry about it. If you need to sleep, go sleep. We've been trying to get you to sleep the whole afternoon. I ran out of Monster Energy drinks. Oh boy, yo.
Sorry,
You really?
Threetus Boyoy, but I can't share the full SpongeBob intro lyrics. I can give you a quick rundown. A bubbly, upbeat chant about SpongeBob being a happy, carefree sea sponge living in a pineapple under the sea, with a fast tempo and playful vocals that spill over the ocean waves.
Who lives in a pineapple under sea? And that's the last time you hear me singing. But yeah, how is everyone's day going? There's a lot to talk about. So the VTuber space just got their own social media. We now have something called My Oshi. Yeah, we have our own MySpace. So yeah, we can even boop each other. Wait, you be the captain and we'll be the children from the intro. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? When I feel a little dumb. What the heck? I swear to God, YouTube chat is really unhinged. Like, holy. I'm not even going to finish reading that. I don't remember the rest of the lyrics. I kind of forgot. I only know the intro. Wait. I know it basically is something porous, something. I really forgot the lyrics. I'm drawing a blank. Give me a second, I can check the lyrics. Let me see. SpongeBob SquarePants intro lyrics. Oh, I forgot the "Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you." Okay. Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Give it a second. Absorbent Danielle and porous is he. That sounds good. I'm gonna edit this into a video. If I can. Give it a second. If nautical nonsense will be something you wish. I'm trying to get the accent. Then drop on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, and that's the last you hear me singing for a while. Wait, there's more? I think didn't I do all the lines? Oh, I missed the aha, ha ha ha. Yeah, how do I pronounce that? Shift insert. No. We have our clip. I'm gonna put a marker down so I can edit this eventually. When future Leo has time. I can't believe chat made me sing the SpongeBob intro. We just started the stream and I'm already doing weird crap. What marker? Essentially, as a streamer, I can place markers down on the stream. To then, when I'm editing the video, I can just see, like, okay, I marked at minute 15 that I sang SpongeBob SquarePants' intro. Okay, I'm gonna basically filter through this last minute or so and edit the video. Oh, and also add also the note flute at the end. Oh, for crying out loud. If I can, I'm gonna make it a short, because shorts are a bit better for visibility on on the videos. And yeah, even if I have to like speed up the thing. Yeah, but yeah, if only I gave Twitch chat TTS so they could do the the part about saying SpongeBob SquarePants. Lagging for me. Oh, for God's sake. One sec. OBS crapping itself. Hey Desiree, welcome in. I'm a bit... Okay, there's no at this point. It's just at random intervals, it might drop for like 10 seconds. Maybe. Like, it's not much, but still annoying. But yeah. Like a Dug vid. Oh, for God's sake. Chat wants me to become Dug. Not again. First it was Thor, now it's Dug. What's next? Let me just check something. Okay, just a notification. It's so more delayed now. I wonder why. The freaking upload speed, whenever it drops, it causes a delay in everything. At most you can F5, but I don't think that solves it. Because technically, I think how it works on Twitch is, if my upload speed drops, it waits with those frames as a buffer, And when my upload speed comes back on, it first starts with what's missing from the stream while it was down, and then proceeds to try to catch up with the live. But yeah, I think it's because I have the replay buffer on. I don't know. But yeah, it's what I've been noticing. Whenever the upload speed drops, it's like you guys get like maybe 10 seconds behind me. Depends on how long I've been. Yeah, I know. Nose food at the end, I know. I'll try to edit it to my best knowledge. I don't promise anything, but I'll try to do the editing when I have time. You wanna know how my backlog for video editing is? I'm behind 5 streams. So yeah, I'm still at the start of the month in editing videos. And I've essentially stopped like making the tutorials for now. Will you add the music into the short? Good point. Actually, I might not. But I might like put a TTS sound into the chat, or to mimic the chat per se. So whenever I sing my part, it's gonna be me. Whenever it's SpongeBob SquarePants or I Captain, either I sample from the original or I make it TTS, so I can insert into the clip itself. Could be an interesting idea. Because it was so quiet. Yeah. I mean, it's quiet, but what if I made 2 versions? One without the background music, another with the background music. I could make that. I mean, editing it is basically almost the same, so all I need to do is mute the channel that has the music. Yeah, essentially that's it. I can do something like that. Huh. And it would count as 2 videos. I'm joking. But yeah, I can try to make something like that. Like, I could upload them at the same time, and one would say no BGM, 1 BGM. Do you love martial arts? Not really. I'm not much into martial arts, honestly. I do know I practice boxing, but again, the boxing I practiced was on a Nintendo Sports app or Nintendo Sports game, whatever. What was it called? Fitness boxing, where it basically teaches you the moves or the positions of your body, so you can basically do the punching. Basically, you can do boxing, but you don't have a punching bag. You don't have like gloves, anything. It's just the joysticks from the Nintendo Switch in your hands, so it can track where your hands are, when you strike, when you basically block with your hand, things like those. I haven't trained with it in a good time, and no, I'm not gonna use it on stream. Because, yeah, it's quite hard to make it possible for stream with my current setup. Because my desk is a bit far from the Switch. And I don't think anyone would like to hear me basically panting over doing sports on stream. Unless it's a punishment. So yeah. Do you know the game Sifu? Yeah, I've heard about it. I've watched the animated short about it for... what was it called? Some series on Prime. I don't remember the name of the series. But yeah, I've basically watched the animation. I know a bit of the plot of the game. I've never played it. I don't know if I have it. Underground, I think. I don't remember. It was something. Basically, it was a series, kind of like documentary about games that had animated shorts. I don't remember the. What do you know about it? Essentially, you are fighting sort of a yakuza, and each time you die, you age. If I'm not mistaken. Or each time you're supposed to die, you age like X amount of years. And by the end, he's basically an old man. And yeah. Okay. Sounds like I still remember what I saw. I kind of remember it because it has the most wholesome scene where at the start he's like eating a. What was it? Bao? I think it was bao buns at an old lady's stall, and basically after that, even before leaving the stall, he like does that trick with the chopsticks, and that's something that you really catch on. Except it's not an old man. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, he does this trick with the chopsticks before eating, where he kind of beats them on the table a bit, and you kind of catch that that moment there, and you memorize it, and then he goes and fights the yakuza, whatever it is, and when he comes back, he's like an old man because he aged so much, and the old lady is still there because this is like in the span of 24 hours or something, and he asks for the ball buns again. He pretends he's like the grandfather of the kid from the start, and he like does the same trick with the chopsticks, and you're like, the old lady caught on that that's the guy, and I'm like, holy, this is perfect. I really love the animation. Like, besides being so well animated, like the wholesome parts are also. You tell me, yeah. So, are they as good as you were told? You tell me. uh, yeah, I honestly loved that animation. But yeah, where was I? I know I was talking about Mayoshi first. Welcome to Leo's Yapping Corner. 30 minutes in, and I'm still yapping. But yeah. Yeah, you know what put on the fight versus Yang? Huh? Enlighten me? Because I think my brain just farted a bit trying to read that. But yeah. To basically see for boss fight. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I don't remember the names. Yeah. But yeah, the old guy you called. Yeah, I know. But yeah, a lot of things to talk about. Yeah. Yapping session is still not over. I know I need to do game dev, but first yapping session so I can get it out of the way. So, essentially, my week started with learning about Mayoshi, getting invited into Mayoshi, essentially friend requesting my favorite streamer, and she accepted. She's amazing, honestly. I love watching her. Her name is Yokasiri. No, my Oshi. You know how I love the anime Oshi no Ko? The first part, Oshi. Yeah, by the way, what's that? Essentially, it's a MySpace for VTubers. And it's amazing. I love it there. I won't show it because I don't know how they feel about the platform being shown, and yeah. Essentially, it's MySpace, but for streamers, for VTubers. I can show at least my profile, but more than that, I think it's best not to. Give me a second, it's loading. Here it is. essentially this is my profile. Yeah. So I haven't customized it that much, but I have here the live notification for Twitch. Just a simple about me. What are my favorite musics? A favorite song that I mean. What are my favorite anime? My favorite streamers? What games I play? Who are my inspiration as a VTuber? I have a top 8 of friends, some photos, what are my groups, my collab schedule. If anyone wants to collab with me, they can go and check like my schedule and basically shoot me a message and we can try to make something. I still need to get in like the zone for basically collabing because I'm a bit nervous about my first collab. I don't know when I'll have one, but I know I'll be a nervous mess until then. Then I have badges. Oh, this is new. It also some details about my page, my links, and yeah, basically that's it. This is basically like MySpace was back in the day. The one with tips or APOC for stars. Maybe. Oh boy, me and APOC, that would be a chaotic one. But yeah, my first one might actually be something regarding Overwatch. I haven't gotten back into the game, but a lot of people in the Portuguese VTuber community want to collab Overwatch. So I might join them, especially because there's gonna be a VTuber tournament for Overwatch. Mind you, this was one of the games I basically played the most back in the day. I used to main Soldier 76, Reaper, Zenyatta. What were the rest? I know I played a bit of Mercy, but I didn't main her that much. I need to look at the roster again, but those three I remember. We had Doomfist as well. I liked playing Doomfist. Reinhardt, that's another one. I loved playing Reinhardt and Soldier 76. Genji, not as much, honestly. I liked playing with him, but I didn't main him, honestly. Hey Desiree, I've seen your message like 5 times. I know you're there. Hello. But yeah. Whew. Give me a second. I need to catch my breath. But yeah, what was Genji's like ultimate line? I think it was Owari then. I don't remember the whole thing. Give some attention to YouTube also. I am trying to. It's not easy. It's not easy when I only see Twitch most of the time. Yuji no Kyokure. Yeah, it's something like that, yeah. Then Wagata Kuro. Where was that one from? Was that Hanzo's I was trying to remember? Yeah. It's a green dragon, yeah. Because the blade is like a dragon blade. Yeah, I remember. What else did I main? Orisa. I also mained Orisa. Watawasha wa Kinokurai. Yeah, something like that. I don't remember, honestly. I always remember the old Mercy ultimate. Heroes never die. Something like that, yeah, fair enough. I also played... What? Let me see. I know I played Diva, but I didn't main her. Tracer, sure, but also didn't main her. Like, it would depend a lot on what I was playing. Calvary is here. No. Heroes never die. Just as the cowboy is always McCree, not whatever he's named now. For me, he will always be McCree. It's high noon. Yeah, Cassidy. Yeah, that's the name. For me, it will always be McCree. I swear to God. I I don't remember why they changed his name, but for me, that guy will always be McCree. I played since season 1, so for me, it's fixed on McCree. Yeah. Twitch. I'm streaming, and you send me a notification telling me to go watch Twitch Rivals. I'm looking at you, Twitch. My eyes are on you. But yeah. I kind of miss playing Overwatch. I have a lot of skins that I really love, like old legendary ones. I don't have the Soldier 76 that is on the grill, handling the grill. I don't remember the name. I think it's Grill Master 76, something like that. I don't have that one. I have the Plague Doctor Reaper. I love that skin. I'll be Bastion, nerf Bastion. Bastion. Beep boop. Boop beep. I wanna be Genji. I'm already Genji. I need healing. I need healing. I need healing. Good old days. Do you know that song? No. At least off the top of my head, I don't. Mind you, last time I played Overwatch was back when Overwatch 2 released. I kinda got angry at how they did Overwatch 2 at the start, and I swore to never play it again, even though I spent the 40 euros to play the deluxe, so I could play early and have some skins. Yeah, boy, did I regret that decision. But yeah, I need to go back to playing the game. The other day I was with Hanabi and going over the skins and everything, and I was like, I've missed this game so much. I need to go back to playing it if it's better now. So yeah, I might return to Overwatch very soon. And if anyone wants to collab about it, I might be ready for it. Mind you, on days that I do collabs, Tulip and Daisy might not be here. Because remember, Tulip and Daisy are still experimental, and I haven't made the integration for them to be on Discord. So, it would be a bit chaotic if I was collabing with someone and I had in my ears Daisy and Tulip talking at the same time as someone that I'm collabing with. I wouldn't understand the lick of it. So, yeah. Also, give me a second, I need to remove my sweater. It's getting a bit hot. Okay, that's better. In the afternoon, it's 20 degrees. I almost melt if I'm wearing like a sweater or something. But yeah. Honestly, would you guys be interested in watching me collab, mostly gaming-wise, here? Because I might be interested in collabing with other creators, especially in the Portuguese VTuber community, because they're amazing people. Some do stream in Portuguese, which is also another minus for the stream. What I do is when basically I want to talk with chat, I'd switch to English. But if I'm collabing with someone that only streams in Portuguese, I'd mostly talk in Portuguese during the stream, switch to English to talk to chat, switch back to Portuguese. But yeah, that would be one of the options. only now you remember to do the check-in. Also, the hydrate is now on a 1 minute cooldown. So get wrecked. And don't make me change it to 10 minutes cooldown. But yeah. Speaking of which, I kinda doomed myself there. And now, for another minute, you can't do that. Did the headpads break? Interesting. Song request, nothing. That's better. Let's hit the spot. But yeah, the headpads didn't fire off.
Teacher.
Hey teacher! What that is? Let me see. Where is the headpads? I think it broke. Ouch. Why did you bonk me? I don't have anything to do with this. Hey teacher, again?
Hey teacher.
You sure like spamming the the redeems, don't you? Let me see. Where is the freaking headpads? Oh, here it is.
Hey teacher.
EH. Okay, that works. Maybe the Twitch integration had some issue. I don't know. Honestly. Hey teacher. Yes, it is. What is it? Now you made me lose where I was. I was talking about collabs. Right. What else? I know I have a lot of other points. Yeah. Essentially, today I had a performance review at work. Went well. Their review was basically amazing about me. So, yeah. Side note, I do need to discuss with my company about a raise because I'm being underpaid. So, yeah, that's gonna be fun. Can I go to the bathroom? No, you can't. You must hold it in until the bell rings. Sorry to God. And meanwhile, it's almost been an hour of me just yapping. Ain't that fun? Am I becoming a real streamer? I'm joking. Don't take me seriously. Dropped pitchforks. You white? I mean, what about me? I'm not even going to go down there. Building code Tulip from scratch has a SpongeBob intro lyrics on. Yeah, that's a good one. I've been forgetting about it. But yeah. I kind of wanted to design the map, but I had a yapping session. I still plan to continue the yapping session. And yeah. But yeah. I hope the new improvements to Tulip and Daisy are working properly. You know, that's enough work for today. Honestly, if it were up to me, I'd just yap all day. Cause, yeah, I've been doing a lot of coding recently, and it can be a bit of overwhelming sometimes. Yeah, especially when I have to carry a whole team on my back. I'm joking, again, I'm joking. But yeah, the work I'm doing is really important, and it's for a special project, so yeah, it's been basically a bit tiring because I feel the weight on my shoulders where everyone is like dependent on me doing my work, and also basically they have like what's the word? Not fate. They have high expectations for me in the project, so yeah, that can weigh a bit, and is one of the reasons I have been a bit more tired recently. The other one was my paycheck, because I won't reveal numbers, but compared to a normal senior dev, I'm not even close to their salary. So yeah, today I learned that my dad has trained Kung Fu for a little. Oh, that's interesting. That's a neat thing to learn. Honestly, if I were to pick martial arts, it may maybe Kung Fu or karate, maybe. Nah, maybe judo, but I don't know. Like, I'm not very into sports. Like, I've said this in the past, but the only sport I watch with like actual intent to watch and like I enjoy watching really is snooker. It's not really considered much of a sport, but I love watching it. Basically, Ronnie O'Sullivan is my favorite snooker player. Snooker. In some countries, I think it's called billiards. Or pool. No, pool is the other one. But yes, Snooker. Snooker. Basically, it's like pool billiards. I can show it. Because if I keep trying to explain it, I might miss the mark. Snooker. This. Here. And here you see my favorite player as well. Is that like curling or something? No. It's a table game. Yeah. No. Pool is different. Pool, you have the 15 colored balls, and you either play stripes or full colored ones. I don't remember the exact terminology, but yeah. And your goal is to basically score all the balls belonging to your picked pattern. So if it's a full colored ball or if it's stripes, and then play for the 8 ball. In some matches, you might need to declare in what hole you're gonna score the 8 ball. But yeah, this is different. In this one, you basically play by points. I don't remember the exact points off the top of my head, but red balls are basically all in like this. Oh, it has the numbering here. Perfect. So you first need to play for a red ball, which is for 1 point. If you score it, you can play a colored one. So most would try to play for the 8 ball, or the 7 points in this case, which is the black ball. And basically, you then score up until you miss. At a given point, you will have enough points to be automatically declared winner, because there's a limited number of points in the table. So yeah, essentially your goal would be like trying to score the 7 points as frequent as possible to up your score enough to win, so that if you miss, you still win. Yeah, that's essentially it. But yeah, it's one of the sports I like to watch the most. I do watch some soccer once every blue moon, basically. But if I had to pick one, it's snooker. Like UFC. I'm not really much into fighting sports, honestly. I used to watch WWE, but that was ages ago. And yeah, can that be counted as a sport? Is it counted as a sport? I don't know. How are we on the fence about WWE? Just so I can measure if I should stop or I should continue. I like chess. chess is good. Yeah. I've tried to learn chess. I used to play a lot. What was it? I don't remember the exact move I'd played the most, but I know it involved the queen's knight. Do you know how to move the piece? Edis, I literally coded a game about chess. Do I know how to move the pieces? You tell me. Genuine question. I do know. Hey Ram, welcome on in on the YouTube side. Don't blame me. But yeah, I do know how to play chess. I may not know how to finish a game because I only play like 10 matches at most. But yeah, I do know how to play. Just not how to win. Why it looks so cool. Thank you. It's basically an avatar I modified for myself. I challenge you to a game of chess. Edis, may I remind you that like 10 minutes ago you said Code Tulip, making Code Tulip from scratch, but has SpongeBob lyrics on screen, and now you're challenging me to a game of chess. Either way, I have snooker on the screen, so yeah. Where do you prefer to play then? Chess.com? Light chess? I have a chess.com account, but I don't remember the credentials. But yeah, maybe some other time, because if I continue on this, I'm not gonna do anything productive today. Like, at this point, I'm almost in just chatting. Come at me on chess.com. Like, are you some kind of furry? No. Not in the slightest. Fine. Chess.com. Can I play without an account? Continue with email, continue with Google. Fine, give me a second. Continue with Google. This account. Continue. This account will be fresh, so it won't have anything. Really? There's already a player with my name. Huh. Interesting. I know strategy and tactics. Fair. Choose your coach. Sure, Hikaru. I like watching you, so yeah. Fair enough. Continue. Skip. No, thank you. Get notified when it's your move. No, thank you. New game. Wait, are we gonna... Edis, you literally said to come play with you in chess.com. I'm gonna bonk you. Now I don't want to play. Yeah. But yeah, I kind of need to be productive. Thank you. But yeah, some other time. We have a gaming stream on Saturday, so we can play a bit of chess then. I don't know how my plans are for Saturday, if I can start the stream earlier. I have plans in the morning. I don't know if any of my friends want to do something in the afternoon. So, I'm basically trying to align my schedule and see if I can stream early that day. I actually didn't have it. It's a website. Oh, you might be on the phone. Never mind. It's fine, Alice. We can play another time. Don't worry about it. But yeah. Welcome to my stream, where I've been yapping for almost an hour. Yay. Professional game developer here. Does anything but game development. I almost made a pun, or a joke, but I'm not at that down in level. I I'm going to just skip the joke I had planned. But yeah, what did I want to do with this? Let's see. So make a screen here. How am I going to do the screen? Is it just going to be a static image on screen? Because if so, I think I can do something. Add child. If I put a sprite at like the center, if I put a sprite at like the center, as I was saying, like let's suppose something here, maybe higher. Okay, let's define that the screen is here. Let me see. New messages? No. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Didn't know you were chill like that. Yeah, I try to be as chill as possible on stream. Like, I'm here to teach game development and also do my own game development. But at the same time, I work 8 hours a day during the week. And I also do like to chill most of the times in the stream. So sometimes I might do like big yapping sessions just to basically vent about my day, things like those. And yeah, shall we? Might as well. You sure are trying to make me procrastinate more than I usually do. Fine. One game. And that's all. Player friend, sure, I agree. Search by username. There you go. Send challenge. Mind you, I haven't played in months, so I'm rusty as heck. Wood Division. Okay, you start. Huh. Are you sure about that? I see. So you block my attempt. Okay, here you can still do it. Let me see, let me see. I do need to move something. I'm gonna move here. Wait a minute. Hey, one of you two, give me a chess move. Let's see if they know chess. Come on, I'm counting on you two. Time's ticking. Oh god. I'm gonna improvise. Let's see. I can move it here. Try to do something. I can guard this because I...
Leo, here's a fast chance move cheat for you. C# in chance less than equal to 25. Perform special attack.
Alice, I couldn't cheat even if I wanted
and
to.
let the randomness do the rest.
She's talking in C#. And she did a redacted. Oh. Interesting. What if I'm gonna try something? I'm also playing at random, so don't come at me with I don't know how to play. Obviously I don't. I wonder. I do wonder if I do something like this, what would happen? I ain't the best. Well, I ain't better, so yeah. Okay. If I were to do this, what would happen? Trying to think of something. Okay. If I do this, the knight can capture. Okay. If I move it here, what now? Oh, you moved there. Interesting. I can move it here. Go back, you. That bishop is mine if you don't move back. Well, nice weather you're having, ain't it? Quick, Tulip, distract the chat. Let me see. Oh, castling. Oh, I see. If I were to do this, what would happen? Okay.
Leo, I'm dropping the strawberry surprise snippet. Just a single line that throws a sweet pop into the chat and throws everyone into a mosh pit of excitement.
Oh, you're moving there, huh? If I put this here. Oh, that I didn't see. I was distracted with my own defense. Okay. You remove duelist. My defense is still here. What's your move? Ah, nice weather you're having. It's sort of sunny here during the day and the afternoon. At night, we get attacked by mosquitoes. It's fun. Oh, you moved. Okay. Sunny. Oh, nice. This is night. Yes. And this is a night. Let's see. If I move this here, I threaten the night. I threaten the night. Oh, but you can steal with the... You didn't. Okay. Then I can do something. Okay, here I'm basically getting the crosshairs. Let me see. Can move what? Interesting. I don't have many moves I can casually make. This is guarded, so it's fine. This one is kind of stuck where it is. I can threaten this pawn here. Just waiting for... Oh wait, I just realized something. And it wasn't that piece. If I were to do this, I wonder. Oh no, but it would be in range for the knight. Huh. Very interesting. Although, I'm gonna do this. Mind you, I really don't know how to win at chess. I just do random bullcrap go. The ad break is finishing now. Yay! Okay. Let me see. If you threaten this one, I move in with the knight or with the pawn, so I'm safe. If I do this, yeah, I can just do this. Your pawn was unguarded. Unless that's a poison pawn. For whatever reason. Oh. Interesting. Counter. Your move. Although you kinda got my queen, so... yeah. Wait, when did you get the queen? Was it here? No, I had my knight there. Oh. That's interesting. If I move here, or if I move here, fork. Trust me, so far you have a good chance of winning. Because I really don't know what I'm doing. I should practice eventually. What did you do? Oh, knight to the rook. Okay. Let me see, you can straighten this one. If I do this, I think your knight can't move out of here. Because any attempt will result in me capturing the knight. I did not plan that one. Yeah. I'm really down with the important pieces, so yeah. I do need to be careful with what I'm doing. Although your knight is really juicy from here. Just gonna say that. Uh-huh. Okay. Well played. Well played, good sir. Let me see, nothing is... Okay, only one piece is capturable. Yeah, exactly that one. If I put this here... Yeah, this one is safe. I'm not liking the odds of this. Yep, exactly because of that. I'm gonna do this. Anywho, could have took my rook. How? Wait, what am I missing? Unless I could move diagonally back, I'm not really seeing it. Because there would be a chance you'd take mine instead of me taking yours. Huh. Interesting. I can see that I'm in checkmate position. So I'm gonna do this. Two chances I could take. Ain't that a quinky dink? If I move here, if I move here, that's blocked. If I move here, yeah, that's blocked. If I move forward, I have two blockers. Well, ain't this interesting? Yep, I kinda knew that one. Yeah, I don't goof too much. But yeah, enough chess for now. I only had time for one game. If I do more, there's no game development today. Yeah, it's been an hour and 10 minutes. I actually didn't see that it was mate. At the moment you forced me to move the king, it was checkmate. Because I'd have to keep moving upwards. Good game, yeah, good game. But yeah, once I was like at the top, I was already seeing, like, you move here, you basically checkmate me because I don't have any places to go. Like, if I try to move forward for the pawns, you'd basically cross me with 2 pawns, so I couldn't move there. Try to move back, I had the knight and the queen blocking me. So yeah. Essentially, building code from scratch chess. Yes. I'm starting to believe I won't have this game done by the planned date. By the way things are going. Because this is the second stream where I just get distracted as heck. So yeah. Let me see, this is Night and Dawn. Go to textures UI. Bingo. Actually, if I use this as a screen for now, what will happen? Give me a sec. Yeah, that's too big. And I don't think I can like adjust some weird crap. Let's see, 0.1, 0.1. Okay. What if I use this as a screen? Just like try to overlay something on it. I'm gonna go sleep. Bye. Okay, sleep well, Edis. See you soon. Let me see. So, if I do this, maybe increase to 0.15, we have some sort of screen. I can then try to mask a bit.
Hey, teacher.
Yes, Alice. What is it? But yeah, instead of hey, bye. Fair enough. But yeah, let's move on to doing the game development part before chat keeps spamming that I don't work on stream. You guys would never, right? Okay, so imagine this. This is a screen. Imagine I'm here with Daisy, like in a corner. And we're talking about initializing Tulip, whatever. Okay. But where's the tile map layer for that one? Okay, it's here. If I remove this, also this for now. Eventually I'll redo most of this. Okay. And now if I paint without the eraser. Okay, there we go. I need to fix this issue with a sprite where it keeps maximizing whenever I press Ctrl S. Or most of the times I press Ctrl S for some reason. Okay, the enemy can... Do I already have this as a prefab? I don't. So, just in case, I'm gonna keep a prefab. I know I have a script planned to create that, but I don't want to take risks. So, enemy is going to be there as a prefab. What else? Okay, have the screen. Let me see how the screen looks compared to the scene. Like, I don't know if it's in bounds for camera. It is. Great. So imagine I'm here with Daisy, and I'm saying, and that should do the trick, initializing Tulip now. Which is not fun because I haven't created a dialogue. Okay. And there we have it. Okay. We have this screen here. Yeah, I like this. This looks really good. Okay. So, first I think I want to create the story itself and not the whole sprite showing on screen, whatever else, because that's gonna take a really long time because I might like design by eye compared to my model and Daisy's model and make it like big screen. So yeah, let me see. So for now, I'm gonna put a sprite in another screen, see if it still does that, because that's annoying. Okay, open up Notion. There we go. Hey Tyndall, welcome on in. Long time no see, buddy. All fancy in the tux, I see. Yeah, made it myself. Yeah, trying to see if I can access what I wrote for chapter 1. Okay, here it is. Tulip sprite has rendered successfully. I'm running the daily diagnostics on her movement subroutines. Okay. So I'm gonna guess that this is the second one. How are you? Yeah, I've been a bit, life's been busy, yeah. I'm doing fine. Today was a bit of a tiring day, like, to give a context, I'm working on basically making web services in SOAP to communicate between a new platform we are coding and legacy code. So I'm stuck with the communication layer per se between the two. And it's kind of tiring because I need to do a lot of basically web services, mess around with WSDL files and whatever. So yeah, and besides that, I had a performance review. Performance was amazing, as by what they said about me. I just need to discuss salary with my main company, because I've learned that they are screwing me with my salary, so yeah. Hey Nicholas, welcome on in on the YouTube side. I'm so happy you get to do that so that I don't. Yeah. Oh, hey Zeros, welcome on in. Zeros is a fellow Portuguese. Welcome on in, buddy. I'm just coding here. I know you're lurking. Is Hanabi still streaming? Game dev type here. Yeah. Also, Tyndall, since the last time you've been here, I've coded a lot of new things. Tulip and Daisy, in their client, they now have essentially events from Twitch. So whenever you follow, subscribe, gift sub, whenever hype train happens, whenever bits get thrown, it shows like a custom animation from my client. And yeah, it basically does the whole thing where they thank you for whatever it is. And now I also have a chat box that I custom made for the stream. It's the one that shows up above my head on the big screen. Yeah, never used Godot, only used Unity and Unreal. Unity and me have a bit of a love-hate relationship. Only thing I code in Unity at the moment is Tulip and Daisy's client. Besides that, nothing else. Yeah. Are you a femboy or furry or catboy? Pick your poison. Pick your poison on that one. My girlfriend does call me femboy, but to each their own. Let me see. But yeah, I kind of have issues with Unity, especially in Linux, so I switched to Godot. It has better support for Linux development, and yeah, so far I've been liking it. I've basically made this that I'm going to show. So far I have basically the map layout. Well, we can see who uses the pens in a relationship now. Ouch. Though she does really wear the pens in a relationship, but whatever. You didn't hear it from me. I never used the only enterprisey stuff. Fair enough. And it's stuff from Nightmares, from what I remember. But yeah, essentially, in the past 2 months, I've made a bit of the roguelike part of the system. I've made the message box. I've made that tube thing that you were looking at there. And if I press Z, which is the continue button, a little animation where she materializes. I need to slow down the animation because it's way too fast. And yeah, now it basically shows that that message there doesn't exist because I haven't put the dialogue for this part in. It's what I was going to do. So if I press continue, it now does that opening animation of the tube, and out of there pops Tulip. She can dash, she can jump, and she kinda can wall jump. Although it's not perfect, sometimes the jump isn't strong enough, so I can do this. Okay, gotta do that the second time this time. Last stream I tried to replicate this and I failed miserably. Yeah. So essentially that's been my thing so far. I also have this, a cheat menu. I can do this. If I put 50 or 10, I mean it should. Oh, there we go. I need to adjust with this one. Okay, when it's 10 it shows as empty. Interesting. Okay, and then you have like max CPU usage, like that. Cheater, yeah. This is basically just a debug menu for myself. I can give myself currency, I can save, reload, I can teleport to the last checkpoint I passed by. The reload does work, like if I press this, look, that was a position I saved when I was testing the save mechanism. So yeah, everything is working so far, and it's amazing. The only thing I have to turn it off was a custom add-on I created for the translations, because the add-on was messing up the .NET builder. Essentially, Godot has a peculiar bug with .NET add-ons where specific code will basically trigger the .NET compiler to fail if you change code. Like, if I do a change in my code while I have the add-on on, my Godot editor basically crashes the .NET compiler, and I have to reload the project. So I had to disable that add-on. It was pretty cool. It was like a localization table where I could add new variables, I could modify variables for whatever language I have. And yeah, but right now I have to do it manually. Which, yeah, fun times. Okay, if I open this up, I have something like this, chapter 1 message 2. And I'm gonna say, should I say Tulip Sprite? Let me see. Tulip Sprite has rendered successfully. I am running the daily diagnostics on. I'm running diagnostics on error. Movement subroutines. Okay, that should be fine. So now if I press play, okay, that should do the trick. Initializing Tulip now. Tulip Sprite has rendered successfully. I am running the diagnostics on her movement subroutines. And there's a bug. It's not word wrapping. So I'm gonna go here, go to player HUD, message box. Yeah, here. Auto wrap. Trim spaces. Is there something like a wrap behavior or oh, auto wrap. I wonder why it's not auto wrapping. Does help if I put word smart, doesn't it? Now it should work. Okay, there we go. Tulip sprite has rendered successfully. I'm running the diagnostics on her movement subroutines. Listen to your mind, please. Huh? First time chatting. First message. Listen to your mind, please. Do, be a bit more clear on what you mean, please. Also, did someone else say something? Oh, CJ Gerber. Sorry, I only saw your message now. I was so focused that I didn't see it. I do apologize. But yeah, essentially, I have fun stuff already done. And besides yapping a lot, yeah, now it's time to code, even though I'm a bit tired and feel like procrastinating a lot. So yeah, do bear with me. Okay, so now it should pop up something on screen that says like move with the arrow keys and whatever. Fair. Okay. God, for some reason the bears were I don't know. But yeah, I'm not that much energetic today. So yeah. Are we talking black, brown, grizzly, or polar? Choose your poison. Because I'm semi-fine with all but polar. What did polar bears do to you? Do enlighten me on the lore. One is stay, one is scare, one is run, one is get eaten. Okay. Wait. Huh. One is stay, one is scare, one is run, one is get eaten. Okay. Basically, what to do if you run into one of them. Gotcha. Polar bears are the only animal that will actively hunt for humans. Ah. I feel like human today. Nothing like a good juicy human. That's a good one. Okay, I did not know that fact. Interesting. Polar bears hunt humans for sport. Ain't that a funny thing? But yeah. A lot of animals may go numb if they come across you, but polar bear will hunt you down because you're delicious. Fair enough. If not friend, why friend-shaped? Don't go hugging bears. Trust me, you're not gonna like that one. Why did the chicken cross the road to get to the other side? I don't know. But yeah. Crap. I'm really feeling tired. I'm not gonna lie. Like, not sleeping the 8 hours a day, having a day like I had, yeah. Not good for you. You get tired when you start streaming. Grizzlies are aggressive, but they won't go after you in the same way. Browns are scaredy cats. If not friend, why friend-shaped? Go hug a brown bear. They won't hurt you. I'm joking. You can very easily scare off a brown bear. Huh. Do check out how to scare a brown bear. Even though Portugal doesn't have much, do check out in case of emergency. Honestly, does Portugal have any bears that aren't in the zoo? No! The problem is that unless you know about that, there's a risk, high risk of you peeing yourself first. Let me see. Huh. Actually, we do have the brown bear. Who would have guessed? Brown bears, Ursus arctos, have returned to northern Portugal with sightings in Montezinho Natural Park, confirmed in 2019, marking their first presence since 1843. Wow. How did they get here? Was it from the Alps or something? Like, did they? How far did they go to get here? Or how? After being considered extinct for over 175 years, a male brown bear was officially confirmed in May 2019 near the Spanish border in Braganza. Huh. Today I learned. Apparently brown bears have been sighted here. Well, not here where I live, but in my country. Huh. Interesting. But yeah. Good to know. Do be careful when going to Braganza. Although I don't go there much often, it could be useful information. Give me a second. My body almost crashed. Because as soon as I coughed, basically I felt my body like going, whoops. But I'm fine. It's over. Just sudden, like, thing. Did you get numbed by a bear? Who knows? But yeah. I don't know if there's like any like dangerous animals here, honestly. It's a peaceful country, kind of. I think it's more often that you get killed by a human than you get by an animal here. Although that seems to be in the norm in every country. I think. Don't quote me on that. Don't mind me. Late Night Leo is basically a goblin. So yeah. Not the best for information when it's late at night. Yeah. Moving on. Oh, hey, Zor? That's how you say your name? Sorry if I butchered your name. But yeah, welcome in on the YouTube side. Moving on. Yeah. Don't listen to the professor that's tired. Has only slept like 6 hours. Had to take an allergy shot. Is feeling eepy. Had to work 8 hours. Had to do a performance review. And yeah, still needs to figure out how to approach about the salary upgrade. So yeah, a lot of on my plate, and yeah, not much mind for it. Oh, it's in Russian. Yeah, I don't know how to speak in Russian. Sorry. Yeah, my name in Russian. Yeah, fair enough. If sleepy, you'll drink new Red Bull. Actually, I don't have Red Bull or Monster. They usually affect my heart rate a little too much. So yeah, I try to avoid drinking Red Bull and Monster. Also, great song that's on at the moment. I've once planned to do a cover of this, but I don't have the like practice to do a cover. We did the SpongeBob cover as well. Yeah, Tyndall, you missed the start of the stream where chat made me sing the SpongeBob theme song. Yeah. Let's just say it's the last time I do that. I'm joking, but yeah. On the topic of what I drink. Lately, I've been testing out, what's it called? Give me a second. I've been testing out this. So this is basically little capsules you drop in water and they give flavor. This sounds like something I shouldn't have missed. I'll do a clip for it later. I have set the mark so I can just go back and edit it later on. Om-nom flavors or smelly flavors? Om-nom flavors. Right now I'm drinking a what's it called? Give me a second. I threw the box out. Wait a second. Berry Boost So it's basically energy, but it doesn't have as much caffeine as an energy drink. Actually, 19 milligrams of natural caffeine. I've got an air up, so that, but entirely different. Yeah, this is essentially. Wait, it's not this. Wrong website. This. This. These are little capsules you drop into your water bottle, whatever, and they flavor your water. I've ordered a blue vanilla to test. Should come in like a week or so. Right now I'm drinking Berry Boost, which is like this one, but it has like a lot of red berries. And yeah, I only have like a tiny pack because I basically bought a tester's pack just so I could see. And so far, my favorite flavor is peach tea. It's amazing. Where is it? They have like a ton of flavors and like a lot of collabs and whatever. But yeah, all flavors. If I go here, there should be one for the one I like the most. Where's the tea one? What am I watching? Basically me yapping for the last an hour and 40 minutes. So yeah, I tried the Year Up Cola and it tastes like terrible flat off-brand cola. I heard the same about Water Drop, so I haven't even considered buying it. Oh, and I see the chat bugs out when Hanabi speaks because her text is white. So the background of the chat box turns white. Huh. I need to add some stroke to the text. I came here to cause a ruckus. Weren't you streaming, Miss Hanabi? Let me see. I was searching for the flavor I like the most. Ah, it's this. Iced tea peach. This one is amazing. I like it. But yeah, I normally have been drinking this. I'm exhausted, didn't even finish the game in general, just a bad stream, as in nothing going well and crap. I do feel sorry for you. I did see that it really wasn't going well for you. Like, you basically showed Murphy's Law in effect so many times during that stream. I was trying to hold back not to make any joke, because I knew you'd kill me off screen. So yeah. But yeah, I hope next stream goes better for you. How were the metrics? Any closer to affiliate? Like, I don't know even what happened. I swear, opening Resident Evil games is wild. Like, it always bugs. I don't know, it's weird. Yeah, it really is weird. Like, how does opening a game on your main screen cause it to open on the second screen in full screen? Well, I think I need another stream with medium of 3 viewers. Awesome! And then I'm in. Yeah. So, you only need one more stream to get affiliate. Imagine getting affiliate in 2 weeks. That's like a record for our community. Yeah. What can I say? I'm built different. I guess you are. Though we also have, I'm going to be audio only, lurking for a bit, listening but not watching. Okay, thank you, Tindall. Yeah, I'm just chatting with Hanabi at the moment because she's also a streamer from the Portuguese VTuber community. So, and we are good friends, so we do talk a lot. But yeah, hopefully you get affiliate next stream. At the end of next stream, we do indeed, yeah. Meanwhile, you've come to my yapping session because I was hoping to do game development and so far did lickety split of nothing. Because chat keeps basically distracting me. I love yapping sessions, love to hear you speak, not gonna lie. Hanabi has... Yeah, actually, when's your next stream? Because I don't know. Is it Saturday as well? Like me? Let me see. Next stream is Saturday at 2 o'clock. I have slightly bad news for you. I might not be able to watch that one. Because I'm going out in the morning. In the afternoon, I'm still leaving it open. And some friends might steal me away. Damn, you're falling. You're failing me. You're not my goat, I see. Sorry, Hanabi, but I can't be omnipresent. Hey, Mr. Kitty. Welcome on in. But yeah, she basically plays a lot of games on stream. She was playing Resident Evil 2, if I'm not mistaken. Sensei, you're following me. You're failing me for real. What you doing? Essentially yapping, because chat doesn't want me to play to do game development. But yeah. So not coding like us. Yeah. Hanabi is not a developer. She is part of the Portuguese VTuber community, the VTubers as we would like to call them. I'm just a crybaby. Yeah, indeed you are. But yeah, a person that exists to suffer. Yeah, essentially. But yeah, she's a great streamer though. And she's really learning fast how to stream. I'm proud of her. Happy voice revealing, so nice, Mr. Kitty. Hope it goes well. But yeah. We are basically what? Like 100 and something VTubers at the moment? We are like really a lot in the VTuber community. Nice, Mr. Katie. But yeah, essentially, I've only been yapping. Leo is a yapper, especially when tired. God knows how that works. But yeah, I'm not gonna say that. You need to pay for me to say that. Oh, hey, Ehab. Hope I didn't butcher your name. Sorry about that. Yes, Hanabi? How may I help you? I can give you 0 Robux. Yeah, fair enough. You watched the clip, didn't you, Hanabi? You watched that really old clip, didn't you? Oh boy. I unleashed the Pandora's box on myself. Basically, someone in the past made me say that specific 2 words. You're paying me later if I say those. You got that? I'll only do it once. And one time only, so listen up. Ara ara. Is that fine? Or do you want me to put a bit more connotation to it? That was mid. Give me a second. Ara ara. Is that better? You do know I can't do... You do know I'm not an expert at doing those sounds, right? Let me see. Fine. Like, that's the best I can do. Let me just do that. Okay. Okay, that fixes the issue. Okay. But yeah, there's a clip from... I'm gonna clip and make it a meme. Such is the life of a streamer. First it was Sing SpongeBob. Now it's Say Ara Ara. What's next? Do stay tuned in, kids, because this is one wild ride. I'm joking, obviously, but yeah, my chat is unpredictable. Meanwhile, I've done nothing in almost 2 hours. Ain't that fun? How do you guys still watch me? Meanwhile, you love us. I don't have any other choice, do I? I'm joining too, I'm not a memer, I'm a Robloxian. It's your voice, trust. Is it my voice? Is it? Is it better now? Do you want me to say like this? Sorry. Chat is going to think I'm gone crazy. Why is the video crashing? It shouldn't be. And I've killed chat. Hey George, welcome on in on the YouTube side. You caught me being basically a goblin. You're not crazy, you're insane. What's the difference? I've always been. I've always been insane in the membrane, so yeah. I do apologize to newcomers. I am not always like this on stream. I do act professionally. Most of the time. Sometimes. Insane crash. But yeah. You guys didn't clip it, so it didn't happen. But yeah. I'll do it later. Because that's a funny one. I'm insane. Aren't we all? How do you guys put up with me? I promised game dev, and I've done anything but game dev. How do you put up with me? But yeah, I guess some more, I guess. That's another stream marker. You're fun, I guess. Welcome to Professor Leo channel, where I promised I'd have Code Tulip done by June, and I just keep doing crazy crap on stream and delaying the times. Do welcome in. If you say meow, I'll give you 0 Robux, because I don't have Robux. Such is the fate of a fanboy with cat ears. Meow. Is that better? I'm sorry, future Leo, you're gonna have to edit all of this, and it's not gonna be fun for you. I do apologize if you cringe by now. Yeah, really sorry, friend. Future Leo doesn't have a good job ahead of him. I promise him that, because I'm him. I made you say meow. When you read it in second, because I said meow, yeah. And now you made me say it 2 more times. Wait, let me turn this one up. Because this is like one of my favorite Evil Nero covers. Yeah, and one of my favorite Fall Out Boy songs. Wait, Fall Out Boy? Before I... It's Fall Out Boy, yeah? Because this doesn't sound like Panic at the Disco or anything, so yeah, should be. Back to the Future, I should be paid. Ouch. 5 backflips in a row when I figure out how to do backflips with my avatar. Did you try to make me do the nya thing that I just did? By saying Anyagato. or something like that. I don't know. Either way, I do promise the streams are not always like this. I'm just way too popular today for some reason. I do promise I'll behave. That's a funk that was famous. Ah, okay. I did not know about that. Hanabi, are you still alive? Did I kill you with the ASMR? I guess I did. Oh well. Carry on. But yeah. What do I want to do? Because I've been basically a goblin for the last minute. Or minutes. Wait, let me give you the link for the funk. I love funk. Fair? Also, let me check something. Did I still have mute? Okay, Brave is not muted. What ASMR? Like a minute before you joined, I did some ASMR just to mess with chat. You didn't hear anything. But yeah. I'm back. What did I miss? Nothing. I just asked if you, like, got killed by the ASMR. Here you go. Okay. Let me check. It should be loading. Yeah, it's not really my type of it's not really my type of music, not gonna lie. Not really a fan of funk and everything like that. I'm more into rock, pop, metal, J-rock, J-pop, as can be shown by my stream, because yeah, I'm a major otaku. So yeah. Yo prof, I drank the funky liquid labeled toxic in the lab. Whoop. Tulip Daisy, initiate cleanup protocol on aisle 11. Wait. Let me do that one again. Tulip Daisy, initiate protocol of cleanup in aisle 11. We have someone that drank a toxic liquid from the lab. It's not... I'm trying to support you and a friend of mine, also PT VTuber, so I might disappear from time to time. My ADHD is going crazy right now, trying to pay attention to both. Oh, I do that a lot. Yeah, it's not really
begin
easy.
administering activated charcoal and initiate an IL-11 sequestration protocol. Your mental clarity will aid the elimination before the toxin takes hold.
Emotional damage.
Okay, Daisy, that was perfect. I love you. Oh, damn it. Okay. Hydrate, yeah. The things I do for you, bro. Yeah. I know you love me. It sound like funk, but it's a funk. I don't know what in TF2 is that, how it happens. I don't know. Don't drink random things. Yeah. I'm back to. I'm trying to figure out what a glassmorphism dialogue would look like. Huh. I ain't got a clue. Excuse me, I said hydrate, and I did hydrate just now. Give me a sec. Holy. Let me see. Music stopped playing. Switch. Okay. YouTube music has some weird bug with some... Not a good cover. The great Di Milan caster. What did you call me? Hanabi, what did you call me? What is he about to say, fanboy? I don't know. Yes, that's specific to words. Should I call you that more often? Miss Princess, you do seem a bit... How should I say it? Give me a few seconds for me to think of a good line. I had some taste nice. Don't drink toxic fluids from the lab. Daisy, we have another cleanup protocol to run. Someone drank another bottle of toxic waste from the lab. That's a yes, I see. Any ideas what the model dialogue would look like on top of this? Let me check. Open this link. A model dialogue on top of this. Might look a bit weird.
Leo, I recommend slashing the dose with activated charcoal immediately and sealing his respiratory chamber. Let's keep his mental clarity intact before the toxin rushes.
Yeah, I understand.
Emotional damage.
Emotional damage. But yeah, I'd say black screen here, like semi-transparent black screen. Tiny box at like center, but more than that, like with designs of front end, I'm not the best, honestly. I can kind of picture like how a model would be. I'd grab basically this border here, and yeah, blur out the content, yeah. Just make it clear that you are like blurring out, that like the user can't touch what's behind. So yeah, I'd say something like that. Yes, Hanabi, you're the goat. Thank you for the 3-stream streak. And then put that same kind of box centered. Yeah, exactly. With like an X on the top right corner, maybe. Okay, tell me how it goes then. For my 5 minutes here. This chat sounds freaky as heck. For my 5 minutes in here. You ain't seen nothing. I suppose I do like my sensei. I'm always here being the goat. Hi, Ohime-sama. Saying crap and monster is legal? Illegal? No, technically it was you calling me a monster that triggered the automod for bullying. So yeah, chat bullies me. I'm joking. Give me a second. I know nothing. I'm doing nothing. Ah, job application jump scare again. I'll never get tired of that one. Mimiru! Welcome on in, Mimi. I'm sorry I streamed so late for you. I'm heading to bed, but wanted to say hi. Have a great stream. Thank you, Mimiru. I'll try to drop by your next stream. When is it? It's Friday, right? Or tomorrow, in this case. I know I've seen your schedule, but I keep forgetting everyone's schedule. I have ADHD, by the way. Yeah, okay, I'll try to be there tomorrow. I should have my afternoon clear, so yay. But yeah, welcome on in. I hope we can talk more eventually. But yeah, I hope you sleep well and have a good night. Can I have a job now, sir? Good night, Mimi. Sleep well. But yeah, also I'm gonna sub. I really love trolling with the job application jump scare. I need to put a custom command for myself just to show that on screen. Yo, yeah. I do promise everyone I'm not this unhinged most of the times, just when I'm tired. You're in Europe. Yes, I am. I'm gonna go FBI. No, you won't. FBI has nothing on me. But yeah, I do promise I'm not this unhinged most of the times. When are you gonna end the stream? What time is it? 11:30. Maybe another hour? Because chat does seem to like me yapping instead of game development. That's what someone on Hinge would say. Right? Yeah, it's 11 PM as well here. 11:30 in this case. We do, yeah. The FBI. Yeah, we are. Are we all from Europe? Huh. That's nice. Oh, but yeah, I forgot something. Since Mimiru and Hanabi are here, I forgot to shout out people. Mimiru is amazing. She's an amazing streamer that I've been watching during my afternoons. I do try to catch up with her streams, but sometimes I fail because of work. So yeah. And also Hanabi. Hanabi. There you go. 2 shoutouts in a row. Certified work criminal. Ouch. What did I do? Do you want another job application jump scare? Of course, I do shout out to everyone. Also, shout out to Tyndall, my fellow .NET programmer. Let's not forget. And also my first ever sub in the channel. Acido 3, it's so good it makes you feel No. The Tyndall, he does nothing. No, you do amazing work. A job? Do you want me to jump scare you again at a random time in stream? Yes, I will. I do have the job application jump scare, like, bookmarked at this precise moment. Please go YouTube and Acidos 3. And Hanabi with Hydrate again. Yay! Are we getting a repeat? You're lucky I have like flavored water. Shady, do you love me? Getting cocky, are we? Did I hear a job? Ah, job application jump scare. This time I didn't even need to do anything. Just Control-Shift-T. Just realized if I lied, say it's a lie. Say it. No. I'm gonna kill chat with the job application jump scare eventually. Point proven. Hi, Hime-sama. I do ASMR again, but I don't want to scare chat away. Because I'm having fun. I called Evil Larry, he's on the way. Who's Larry? And why is he evil? Oh, for God's sake, Hanabi. Let me do stream. Let me do my job. Womp womp. Tulip, Hanabi is bullying me with redeems. Sir, please, sir. I'll stop. I'll stop with the job application jump scare. Search Evil Larry on YouTube. You will know it after. Fine. Let me out of the lab basement. Are you? How did you get down there? Daisy? Did you kidnap someone from chat and put him in the basement? We talked about this. We don't do it. I don't want to start off chemicals more. And people ask me why I'm unhinged. I guess my chat just basically brings out that part of me. The ad break is finishing now. Yay! Okay, where was I? Oh, Battle Area. Yeah. Give me a second. I have ADHD, and right now I have a lot of voices in my head because of it. So give me a second. There's a basement too. I escaped from. Guys. Listen here. There is no basement. I'm afraid to say this, but there is no basement. If you are trapped in the lab's basement, I'm afraid you are at the wrong lab. I don't have a basement. So, sorry to say, but I can't get you out of there. Nah, I'm joking. I always wanted to do something like that. Okay, where was it? Evil Larry. Where is that from? Oh, that cat. Gotcha. You said the guy, whoever is in the basement, is on the back room or something? Yes. The chat is the source of the distractions. Yeah, it sure is. It's been 2 hours and 8 minutes. Have any of you have seen me coding or doing game development at all? No? Well, there's your answer. Yeah. This is fun. No, and I arrived like 15... It's already been that much? I'm questioning my life decisions at this precise moment. You know... Nah, I ain't going on your basement though. Wanna go through 60 or 500 backroom levels. The backrooms, that's a good one. Also, why does YouTube music keep doing that? Gets annoying. I don't have anything else with YouTube music open. So yeah, I don't understand. But yeah, where was I? Kinda lost myself. And yeah, let's just say YouTube chat is getting a bit unhinged for my taste. Whoop! And there we go. I need to eventually get someone to moderate the YouTube chat, but it's not gonna be now. So yeah. Also let me check, because I am getting a lot of notifications. Give me 1 segundo. Okay. Nothing important. Carry on. So, what else do you want to chat? Since basically I'm not going to do any work today. Did you know Think Noodle said that banned word 14 years ago? Wait, is he the source of those two numbers? Is it because of him? Oh, okay. Because I never understood the source, nor what's funny about it. So yeah. No, it's that darn kid. Fair enough. I honestly don't know much about the origin, nor what makes it funny, nor do I care, honestly. Just that it gets annoying. To the point I'll eventually ban those two numbers. And yes, it's that bad. I have met streamers that have those two numbers banned. No, like people are freaking because of it. I wonder why. Every Gen Alpha is essentially spamming that to the point teachers have to put a rule to not say those two numbers. Because it gets annoying as crap for us old people. I like 21. What's with 21? Fine, Hanabi, I'll stretch. Give me a second. Oh. My body is really getting rusty. Whew. Okay, a few cracks here and there, and I'm fine. What's... Oh, that one. You know what? Someone in chat made Tulip go for that meme some time ago. I think I even clipped it. Give me a second. I need to go find my own channel for a bit. youtube.com/megaleo. YouTube. If I go here, there should be a clip. Let me check. Where be the clip? Wait, I didn't put the correct thumbnail on this short. Huh. Could have sworn I did. Interesting. This was like what? 2 months ago? Let me see. Tulip MVP, meltdown over the seahorse emoji, me yapping about Oshinoko, I wrote the jump system. That's been a month? Oh boy. I've really been lacking on development, I see. Yikes. Fate history, you're still in mine. Yikes, the hoodie. Where is that one? About the 9 plus 1021. Yeah, I'll try to look at that after. Trying to find the clip. It's been that long. You can see the difference, like here I had the old avatar and only Tulip. And then pops along Daisy. Where is it? I know it's Tulip that said it. Huh. Did I never actually publish the clip? Despacito, hello. Ladies thinks she's the main character. No, these are the more recent ones. So it had to have been earlier. This is me playing with the soundboard. Huh. Yeah, it's not here. Unless I gave some sort of really weird title, I don't see it. Interesting. Okay, let me say, you want Acido 3. Acido 3. This? This? This also doesn't sound like the sort of song I'd listen, not gonna lie. Trust me, I'm more into other things. Like, maybe with a certain mood I'd listen, but it's honestly not my thing, not gonna lie. This is the guy that listens to anime songs almost every day, all day. Yeah. Let's see, Egoist. Don't feel like listening to Egoist. Oh, Def Leppard. Yeah. Gonna listen to that. Okay, do remind me, where was I? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna show what I had planned for the month of February. Okay, this one gotta be, you'll have to take over the kid. Huh? Nani? Do you enlighten me? Also, give it a second. The ticketing platform is still loading. This is on Azure, so it takes a bit to load. I mean, you should be able to put the link in chat. I don't have it filtering out the links for now. Give it a second, give it a second. Seriously, why is the app taking so long to come back on? Isn't the SQL server like down? And it's taking like a long time to boot up? Must be that. Yeah, the SQL server is timing out. There we go. Okay, first boot always fails, second always succeeds. Okay. So yeah, I had all of this planned for February. I'm currently at tutorial room and I have 4 tasks in backlog. I completed a lot of things, yes, but still not enough. Oh god damn. Hanabi. Listen. If you ever put redeems that are spammable, I'm gonna spam the crap out of them. I'll literally stalk your stream and spam those redeems until I'm out of points. And you're gonna listen to it. So do be prepared. Bet it's gonna be fun. You say that now. To remember, I won't forget this. I'll listen to that soon, Kitty. Well, let me just drink. Oh yeah.
First things first, I'ma say.
I'm impressed Tibbs didn't redeem first and second. He normally does that. Huh, the headpads are broken again.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could
Fine,
be.
I'll do it manually. Give me a second. It's not gonna be one I gave you. Give me a second, I'll open this up. A Minecraft song. Oh, let's see. What the heck am I listening to? What the heck did you make me listen? Oh, it's not automatic. No. Basically, I had that when basically I had that when I had the old Tulip and Daisy client. It had an interface with Spotify API. I since then switched to YouTube Music, so I don't have a direct link yet. Open, sure. I should have the app still installed. Yeah, it's here. Is it appearing on stream? Shouldn't be. Yeah. What if I do this? Because Brave does have an audio source specific for it. Let me just log in. If I do remember my password, log in with password. Should be this one. Yeah, it's this one. Save. Sure. Yeah, that's loud. Okay. Very chill. Very chill indeed. So let me check some things. Okay, everything does seem fine everywhere. Okay. Hanabi, why did you bonk me? It won't be. Feels like I'm at the disco. I shall never tell you. When I catch you, you're gonna suffer. Wait, let me log in and cook. I'll give you the best I can find. This song with massive speakers, oh my. Yeah, I can imagine. I only have like Logitech headphones, so yeah. I actually am not basically keen on getting speakers for my computer. I prefer having the headphones, but I also got some what are these called? In-ear monitors from JBL. They're for sports and they're amazing. I'm using bone conducting headphones. I've heard about those ones. They sound interesting. Hey Scorps, welcome on in. Another Portuguese. Huh? Today everyone is showing up. You're here, my goat. Indeed. Welcome on in. Let me do introductions. These are Tulip and Daisy, my AIs. Hello, my sweet childs. Do make some introductions for chat, please. Let me see if they obey me, because there's a chance they won't listen to my prompt. Yeah, they have their own volition. I'm
Hello,
here, caray.
debuggers. I'm Daisy, your architect and guardian of clean code, ready to keep the logic flowing while we watch Tulip try to add her signature splash.
Oh, those ones, yeah. They do look interesting. Yeah, I've heard a lot about those types of headphones. Or ear or whatever. Yeah, they just vibrate. Yeah, I've heard a lot about it. But yeah, the ones I have are, let me see, JBL in-ear headphones. They are these ones, I think. No, not these ones. I know I've sent someone, but I don't remember the link for it. Does it say on the... Nope, it doesn't. Thank you for the follow, Scorps. Let me see. They just vibrate, can feel it unless I crank the volume. Bypasses my eardrum, goes straight to the other stuff. My ear canal sorts by in-ears. I can imagine, yeah. I do try to avoid using in-ear headphones as well. This got to be the best one. This got over 200 million. 200 million. What is this? Oh, Hanabi will like this one. Okay, fine. Just because we have people that like Poppy Playtime. I love your animated face, Leo. Oh god, what have I unleashed on myself? Thank you, Tyndall, for joining in. I'll see you next time. Have a good one as well. Thank you for joining. Yeah. The good song. I knew Hanabi would like this one. That every catnap. Did it censor? Yeah, redacted. See, I cooked. Yeah, I'll give you that one. You did. Gosh, this song is so good. I have heard this so badly. Let me hydrate. I got reached by catnap. Fun fact, I never played the games. And I'll be proceeded to be killed by Hanabi. He really did. I watched it. Play the damn games. I knew it. I knew it. You would rage about it. Just like I have to play Resident Evil. And FNAF. And a lot of other things. Don't piss me off, play them till chapter 4, it's good. Resident Evil for real? Yeah. Eventually, I'll play them. Eventually. But yeah, this is a good song. Yeah. Also, tomorrow is Pokemon Day. Yay! Prepare for projects that are basically expensive games. And yeah, I don't have high hopes for tomorrow. Wait, you're gonna play Resident Evil tomorrow? Or Poppy Playtime? Oh, Poppy Playtime chapter 5, right? When I get jump scare, I say Portuguese curse words. Caralho. Foda-se. Puta que pariu. But yeah. I swear to God, chat is gonna think I'm unhinged as hell after today. I do swear I'm not like this every day. You know, puppy playtime pissed me off because it's so laggy. Have you considered it might be a skill issue? And back what I was doing that was putting channels that I suggest to stream. I put Hanabi, now I need to add more. Fair enough. I don't understand what you just said, Kitty. I don't understand. I know it's like Dutch, if I'm not mistaken. Oh boy. But yeah, there are a lot of streamers that I've come across and that I've been enjoying watching, not gonna lie. Like, our community is growing so freaking much lately, it's amazing. If you understand, I give a zero Robux, because you know why? Nope. Stream my bad that I recommend to watch, yeah. But yeah, we all need to do a collab one day. I'm joking. It would be chaotic as all hell. We truly do. Oh boy. I'm gonna regret those words, aren't I? Say jinx. Say psych. Say whatever. Put that song. Wrong side out. It's good. Oh, this one. Okay, sure. Repo. I swear to God, Repo would be amazing for us all to play. I don't know what's the lobby limit for it, but it would be amazing. Repo would be so cool, yeah. One time I played with my friend group, and one of the guys, at a given point, would just scream for the monsters to come after him. So, at a given point, I was like doing the, like, collecting items and everything, and I just hear like screaming, like going past me, and I was like, what the heck? I would look and it was him just calling for all the monsters, like, I'm here, come get me, and just speeds off. It was really fun. We managed to kill a few monsters. Yeah, the game is fun, honestly. If I could, I'd play it and like, yeah, it would be fun. Pure chaos, indeed. We need to do it. Well, another collab I want to do is the Overwatch one, because, yeah, I need to come back to Overwatch, and there's gonna be a tournament for VTubers, which is amazing. A community-hosted tournament. That should be fun. I don't remember who started the idea. I just saw it on Twitter, and they were like really going into it, like planning out everything, and even like trying to get sponsors for the tournament. Like, it's amazing. It's really amazing how the VTuber community is just like getting together like this right now. But yeah, should be fun. I know a lot of people are also posting in the collabs. I need to check out when I have some time. So yeah. Also, those that can, get a Mayoshi account. It's amazing. It's basically MySpace for VTubers. I'm loving it. Oh, wanna see what I did? Can you watch and say? I'm not making games, so yeah. Honestly, I should stop streaming because it's getting late and Mr. Leo is starting to get basically tired. And one thing that I really want to have is getting my VTuber PNG model. That makes sense, yeah. Honestly, I can't say much about that because mine is a pre-made that I just like configured to my liking. Like, I did the colors, I drew the suit. This is basically just a PNG layered on top of the model. I'm getting tired of my bongo cat. Bongo's cat that I have. Damn. I hope you can get something soon. Hanabi's is quite amazing, not gonna lie. Though, yeah, hers is like really customized to her taste. Is Sensei trying to riz me? I said nothing. You have no proof. I said nothing. You have no proof. But yeah. Damn, bro, took it back so quick. With you, I don't want to leave margin for error. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see. Again with the Roblox. Okay. Like I said, I'm not really interested in Roblox, not gonna lie. Double jump mechanic. Okay, yeah. I don't know how amazing that is in Roblox, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I can't say if you cooked or not, because I don't like Roblox. I don't have experience coding in Roblox. So I can't say if it's good or not. Like, I'm not the best person to judge that. It's great that you're getting into coding. I really support that. But me and Roblox, it's like water and oil. We don't get along. It's a better version. I'm making puppy playtime. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, Hanabi, give me a second. Outside of my apartment, I'm listening to drunk people screaming. Foolish, they are really stupid. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, happy now, Hanabi? Do you want to continue? But yeah. Not yet. Oh god. But yeah, you all missed basically chat getting me to sing the SpongeBob opening. Wait, the Ayaya only fired now? That was like 2 minutes ago. Okay, that's weird. Normally it doesn't have a delay. Why are you looking at headphones? Because it was what I had open. That's essentially it. Because I no longer feel like programming today because I only have like a few minutes. Because chat keeps distracting me. I just brought the headphone. Fair enough. But yeah, you all missed me singing the SpongeBob opening at the start of the stream. So pretty much every single stream of yours, apparently since last week. Yes. You guys kill me. Since you met me, yes. Basically that. Give me a second. The headpads aren't working, so I need to do it manually. There. Yay, headpads. Yay, thank you for headpads. But yeah, chat today was really on fire. Not gonna lie. Data under the sea. Essentially, I don't remember who started it, but at a given point I was like, oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? And we just went from there. Like, holy. I'm gonna clip it. Just needs editing. And eventually I'll publish it. I'll give the warning. I don't have the best singing voice. I may have the best ASMR voice, but not the singing one. I gotta go. Good night, everyone. I'm also going to go because it's getting late. I need to wake up early for work, so yeah. I think I'm gonna finish for here. Was a really non-productive stream. Yeah, work. Getting up at 7:30 a.m. to work. It's fun. Is your game gonna be free? No. The price hasn't been set yet, but eventually it will be paid. Around 15 euros maybe. I do not know. Eventually I'll need to check pricing and everything. Might do some giveaways on stream. Unsure. So yeah. When I have a more solid project, I'll plan it better. For now, it's basically just a skeleton. So yeah. Yeah, it's fair. I can like try to do giveaways and things like those eventually. That part is for future Leo to take care of. But yeah, I do want to thank all of you for joining the stream today. It was fun, non-productive, but fun. And yeah, I hope to see you all tomorrow at the same time. And I think this time I might try to do the Tulip development, maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Alright, bye bye, Sensei. Good night. Good night to you all. I hope you sleep well. And I'll see you all tomorrow at the same time at the same channel. So yeah, bye.